about I'm doing to myself a whole makeover. I love tattoos, but I can never decide which one to get, so I have never done a tattoo. I always wanted a whole sleeve on temporary tattoos, so I bought this. Oh my god. So you can see here, these are a lot of feathers here, and on the other page it got like henna tattoos. Oh my god, look at this beautiful color henna inspired tattoos, and I got more here. They are so cute. It was just 80 cents, okay? 380 tattoos just for 80 cents. Let me just tell you, I have waited like more than 5 years that I wanted this to happen, and today it is happening. I'm so excited. Mega excited. But first, I got to read the instructions. So it says, put out tattoos of choice and remove clear shit. Okay. Place tattoo face on the skin. Okay. Wet the tattoo. Okay. After 20 to 30 seconds, gently remove the backing paper. Okay. Allow the tattoo to dry. Okay. The same instructions of when you were little and you get these tattoos, temporary tattoos, are exactly the same. So, let's go to the kitchen to get a tattoo. So I'm going to start in this area of my arm because I would like a big tattoo right in the middle so it can look very fabulous. I got this one, but this one, like, I don't know. Oh! This. I'm going to use this one.
I'm gonna start cutting now.
I'm taking out the plastic thing and locating it on the part that I want. I'm going to take this sponge, and I want the sponge to be wet, but I'm going to keep pressing. Oh my god! It looks so sexy. It looks so cool, huh? Which one is next? I should think for here.
Oh.
This one, this is a good tattoo. I think I should do this to the start of the tattoo. It looks super cute. This is the one that I'm doing.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, it worked. It looks so good! It looks so delicate and so like princess. Mosquito, stupido. I didn't kill it. I'm going to use this one that is the exact one of this, and I'm going to locate it right here and start counting again. Oh, woo!
Oh my god, you damn mosquito, stop eating my flesh. Oh la 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. I don't know what to do. Should I stay or should I go? Let's look at it right here. 1, 2, 3.
This is so cute. So tired already. So this one, I'm going to put it right here.
Bam, 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 bam. So, 30 seconds have passed. I messed it up.
I let the plastic thing on. I can't believe I did that. Like, look. Oh my god. Oh, it looks cute. Bruh. Take the plastic thing off, because then it's going to mess up the tattoo.
It looks cute. Oh. It looks cute.
it up again, bro. They use it again with this freaking plastic. Ah, again. One here, I guess. Right here, that's my blood. Shame on you, mosquito. Doesn't this look fabulous? Oh, I really like it. Like, it's cool.